Okay, so yesterday we were learning different parts in Microsoft PowerPoint window, and we have discussed all these points: title bar, quick access toolbar, then file tab, ribbon tab, slides tab and outline tab, and then slide panel. So all these things, all these points we have discussed yesterday. Okay, so today we will start with placeholder. Okay, so placeholder are the text boxes in a slide with dotted borders. They can contain different types of information including text, pictures and charts. By default, there are two placeholders that appear in this slide when a new presentation is created. Okay, so placeholder are the text boxes in the slide. So here you can see two boxes. So these two boxes are known as placeholder, means where you can put your information, you can write your text information. So those boxes are known as placeholder. Next, slide views. From here you can switch among फॉलोइंग व्यूज मीन्स अब जो आप काम कर रहे हो उस विंडो का कैसा व्यू होना चाहिए. सो वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट व्यूज ऑल्सो. सो फर्स्ट वन वी आर हैविंग नॉर्मल व्यू. दिस इज selected by default. Normal view is the most commonly used view to create, edit or modify presentation. This view shows the slide and outline tab with the current slide. So normal view is the most basically used outline for your presentation. Next we are having slide sorter. This view display thumbnail of all slides in the presentation. This view is commonly used to rearrange and delete the slides. ठीक है, मीन्स आपको स्लाइड्स को अरेंज करना है, किसी को डिलीट करना है, किसी को इंसर्ट करना है, या फोर्थ स्लाइड को नंबर 1 पे लाना है, फर्स्ट स्लाइड को नंबर 4 पे लाना है. सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स वी कैन डू विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस स्लाइड सॉर्टर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग रीडिंग व्यू. Okay, so this view only displays this slide along with the button at the bottom for navigation. Okay, so in this view we are having some buttons at the bottom. Navigation means आपको एक स्लाइड से दूसरी स्लाइड पे जाना है, दूसरी से फोर्थ पे जाना है. So that is known as navigation, means आप navigate कर रहे हो from one slide to another slide. Okay, next we are having slide show. This view displays each slide on full screen as an actual presentation. So this method, this option we use many times, like if you have created your presentation और आपको उसको present करना है, then with the help of this slideshow option we are able to present our content in full screen mode. means उसके side में ऊपर नीचे कुछ भी नहीं होगा, जो भी आपने presentation बनाया है that will be displayed on the main screen only. Okay, so now we will open PowerPoint. So just type in search bar PowerPoint, you will be able to open your PowerPoint in your system. Now if we will go with this thing, okay, welcome to PowerPoint. So this thing we have taken the theme. Now it will get downloaded because this theme we are using for the first time. So when you will use any presentation for the first time, then it will get some time to download. Okay, so now here you can see this is your normal view. Okay, so when you will click on this is your slide sorter view, and then this is the complete slideshow. Is it clear to all of you? So at the downside of your window, I will just scroll this window. Okay, so if you will click on this one, so now we have to end show. Okay, अभी आपका main screen है. So first one is your normal view, this button. Next one is your slide sorter, and last one is your slideshow. Is it clear? Okay. So now we will move back. Next we are having zoom control. So as you know, zoom, right now many students are asking me to, ma'am please zoom your screen. It means आपको highlight करना है, थोड़ा और बड़ा करना है अपने content को. For that we are having zoom control option. Zoom control allows you to adjust zoom level with the help of slider, displays the zoom percentage. So here you will be able to see this one. Are you able to see? Okay, I will just scroll down. Okay, so here this one is your zoom in zoom out. So आप negative की तरफ जाओगे, then it will zoom in, और थोड़ा positive की तरफ आओगे, then it will be zoom out. Okay, so from this slide bar you can do zoom in zoom out in your presentation. Clear? Next, notes panel. This is the place to add notes to each slide. Means आपने कुछ notes add करने हैं हर एक slide में. For that we are having this option, notes slide. The notes are not displayed during the presentation, and these notes don't display during the presentation. Okay, so these are option for notes. From here you can add different kinds of note, like कि ये presentation किसके लिए है, ये presentation किसके लिए, just आपको कोई नाम देना है. So all those things you can add in notes, but that will not be displayed on your main screen. When you will do slideshow, that notes will be not displayed. So this thing you have to remember कि notes आपके output में show नहीं होंगे. Okay, so all these things we have learned, like different parts of window. Now we will continue with the next topic, presentation planning. Okay, now what is the meaning of presentation planning? Suppose you are going to do some work. Okay, जैसे कि आपको कल स्कूल आना है या फिर आपको कल किसी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना है. सो बिफोर पार्टिसिपेशन व्हाट यू विल डू सम प्लानिंग कि मुझे कल क्या कैसे पार्टिसिपेट करना है, कितनी एनर्जी के साथ जाना है, क्या क्या लर्न करके जाना है. सो ऑल दोस थिंग प्रिपेयर इन योर माइंड्स कि मुझे क्या क्या करना है. So that thing is known as planning. In similar way, if you are going to create a presentation, before that we have to make some planning कि मुझे presentation किस topic पे बनाना है. ठीक है, उस presentation में कितनी slides होनी चाहिए, फिर मुझे उसमें किस किस type की images add करनी है, कोई audio add करना है, कोई video add करना है. So all those planning you have to do before creating your presentation. Now let's start. Every presentation requires some initial level planning, such as outline of presentation, order in which the information will be presented, number of page it will have, etc. Planning is the important step in creating a successful presentation on any topic. So if you are doing any work at your home, any work in your school, any task you have to do, before doing the task we should do some planning so that we can do that thing in proper way. In similar way, अगर आपको presentation बनाना है, so first of all you have to think about the theme. जैसे कि अगर आप presentation बना रहे हो sports पे, तो जो आप theme लोगे, उसका background लोगे, that should be related to sports only. अगर आप education पे बना रहे हो, then that theme should be related to education only. किसी competition के लिए बना रहे हो, then theme should be related to competition. So जब भी आप कोई presentation बनाते हो, सबसे पहले आपको उसका outline, उसकी theme वो डिसाइड करनी होती है. नेक्स्ट, आप कितनी प्रेजेंटेशन में, कितनी स्लाइड्स में आप उसको कंप्लीट करोगे, वो आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ता है. फिर किस स्लाइड पे, मतलब जो आपका फ्रंट पेज होगा, ऑब्वियस अगर वो इमेज से स्टार्ट होगा, अगर आप फ्रंट पेज पे इमेज डाल के बता दोगे कि हाँ आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट दिस टॉपिक, देन इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फ्रॉम व्यूअर्स. मतलब जो आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन देख रहा है, जिसको आप प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, अगर आप उसमें इमेजेस डाल दोगे फर्स्ट स्लाइड पे, तो व्यूअर्स को क्या पढ़ना नहीं पड़ेगा. सो जब भी आप प्रेजेंटेशन बनाते हो, टेक्स्ट की जगह अगर आप उसमें इमेजेस ज़्यादा डालते हो ना, देन इट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल, देन इट विल बी वेरी इम्पैक्टफुल फॉर द व्यूअर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड. Okay, Akshat, I will tell you everything. First, let me explain this topic. Okay, after 5 minutes or 10 minutes when topic will be over, then I will reply to your messages. Okay? Okay, so next about slide. Now what is the meaning of slide? A slide is the single screen of a presentation. A presentation is composed of a series of slides. Now, a single screen of presentation means जब आप presentation play करते हो तो जो आपकी single window आती है ना, एक single window क्या बोलती है? That is your slide. Okay, and presentation is a combination of different slides. The slide contain the information you want to communicate to the audience. So slide contain the information. Slide में क्या होता है? Obviously जो आपको audience को बताना है, only that information will be included in that presentation. Okay, the information can be any text, sound, पिक्चर, टेबल, चार्ट और वीडियो. और जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है आपकी डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स में होती है. इट कैन बी चार्ट, इट कैन बी ऑडियो, इट कैन बी वीडियो, एनीथिंग. ओके Akanksha, I will tell you the syllabus. 1 second. Okay, so we will continue this topic tomorrow. First of all,